how's it going? Today we're gonna draw a Halloween skull. It's kind of that time, so it's gonna be easy, simple for beginners. If you like learning how to draw your favorite characters, if you like learning how to draw stuff every day, if you just like having that art vibe, right? Really engrossing yourself in art, hit the subscribe and then click the bell notification. It's gonna let you know that I've posted. And hit like, by the way, if you like the subject matter to this video. So let's go over this. Let's go over this Halloween drawing skull. I'm going to go over here, draw a line on the left side over here. It's a little bit weak, though, the marker. Go over here. There we go. I'm going to go to the top. Top of the head. Gonna pull down, in. All right. Second. Down, in. And so just to kind of recap, there's a lot of different ways to draw a skull, right? Lots of them. This is just kind of one spooky way to draw it. And it's, going to be wildly weird proportion-wise. Going to go over here and I'm going to pull out for the zygomatic arch. And I'm going to curve in here for the zygomatic arch. Doing good. I'm going to have it pull down here. And we're going to go over here and draw essentially kind of a marshmallow. Kind of like a marshmallow kind of shape, each one of those. I'm going to pull a line here, up, here, up. Go over here, up as well. Here, up as well. That's going to be the brow, right? Going to throw a line here. Line here. For kind of the creases in the forehead. And pull in. Pull a line down like this, and that's gonna obviously be kind of the fang canine area. Curve along the top here, curve along the top. Right here, curve, right here, curve, right here, right here, right here. Drawing those teeth essentially, right? I'm going to actually draw the outside of the jaw here because I'm going to put the bottom part as well out here, down. Bottom of the chin. Line here, line here. Let me find the nasal cavity first. So I'm going to go over here on one side. It's going to be a triangle. Over here on the other side. And I'm going to find the bottom row of teeth. Like so. All right. Go over here. There, the nose. Going over here. All right. Curve line at the top. Gonna draw there's always this dimple on the skull here along this area. both sides of the face there. And so what I'm going to do now is kind of go into the detail. The detail tends to be lighter lines. Lighter lines like so. And along the bottom as well, like around the sides. I'm just throwing these thin lines here to show that there's some detail going on, like the curve around the eye socket, like this, thinner. Line over here, thinner. Curve around here. Line over here in the teeth area to make it look like the teeth are really injected into the gum. And that is very, very important. Line over here. Pulling up. Pulling up here. And you can just keep throwing these little notches in here, like around the nasal area, right? The little, you're throwing thinner lines, nothing too thin, but thin enough that they're adding to the structure as opposed to taking away. Line over here. Just kind of throwing in some stuff here. And at this point, you know, it's more or less freestyling. You can throw in stuff wherever you want, and that's the cool part about it. So that's kind of the neat part about the whole thing. You can just kind of keep on that. Same thing here. You throw in these small lines to give it a texture, and that really helps sell the entire, like, hey, creepy Halloween skull image. All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing. Don't forget, hit the like on this video and hit the like on other videos that you enjoy. Go check those out. There's plenty on this channel. Always go through the playlist section if you have time. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video, okay? Stay tuned.